Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Ford Taurus Limited and I will show you how to replace the trunk light bulb. I was doing some work on this Taurus and I've noticed the trunk light is not working, so I decided to make a video and show you how to replace the light bulb. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. So the idea is, when you leave the trunk, this light right here should illuminate, but if the light bulb is burned out, that will not happen. To access the light bulb, all you have to do, you have to remove this cloth piece and the light bulb will be in the back. To do that, you have a couple of plastic screws to remove, one here, and one here at the bottom. You can do this by using your fingers, or if you cannot turn it, you can use like a flat screwdriver for the two on the top and pliers for the one down there. But it should be easily doable with your fingers. So just turn it counterclockwise. Okay, so once you have removed these screws, all you have to do, you have to pull this cloth piece and you will access your light bulb right here. Okay, now to remove this light bulb, you just want to pull it straight out. There is no specialty tools needed or anything, you just want to pull it straight out and that's it. And once you have a new bulb, just push it in and you're done. Very easy to do. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.